A very warm evening to everyone. Welcome to Vricham TV. This is K. Harishti from grade 9 PSLV presenting the news for the day. Today's headlines. ICSE ISC exams 2021 for class 12 is scheduled to begin from April 8 and will continue till June 16. The class 10 exam will be held from May 5 to June 7. The bank in the country will remain closed for 13 days in the month of March as per the calendar issued by the Reserve Bank of India. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy said that there is no chance of reducing the height of the dam in Polavaram project. The entrepreneurship cell of the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras will host an e-summit from March 5 to 14. Oil majors have hiked liquefied petroleum gas prices from March 1, which is part of the monthly revision of prices. Now a domestic non-subsidized cylinder in Chennai cost Rs 835. The Ministry of Finance is considering cutting excise duties on petrol and diesel to cushion the impact of record high domestic prices. Chief Electoral Officer Satyaprada Sahu said the travel expenditure of leaders of political parties would not be included in the election expenditure. Over 11,000 people were inoculated against COVID-19 on the first day of the second phase of the vaccination drive on Monday. Gujarat local body election poll result counting of votes was held yesterday. A fresh western rainfall or snowfall is likely to affect western Himalayan regions from today night. Indian cricket team captain Virat Kohli became the first Asian personality to have 100 million followers on Instagram. Corona updates. Residents above 60 years of age or those above 45 with chronicities can be inoculated against COVID-19 in government hospitals. Sports news. Audio Jungle. Vedant, son of actor R. Madhavan, has won bronze for India at the Latvian Open Swimming Champion. With this, me, K. Harishti, signing off with the note of keep watching Vricham TV. Stay tuned and stay happy. Thank you.